The Mystery of Willow Woods. Detective Sam Taylor arrives in a small town. It is a sunny day. The town is quiet and peaceful, but people are worried.
Welcome, Detective Taylor. We need your help.
Thank you, Mayor Johnson. Tell me about the problem.
People disappear in Willow Woods. We don't know why.
Sam Taylor listens carefully. He is serious.
How many people are missing?
3 people in the last month. It's strange.
Sam Taylor thinks. He writes notes in his book.
I will visit Willow Woods. Maybe I find clues.
Sam Taylor meets Mrs. Baker. She is sad.
My husband went to the woods. He never came back.
I am sorry, Mrs. Baker. Did he go there often?
Yes, every day. He loved walking there.
Sam Taylor asks more questions. He is polite.
Did your husband find something unusual in the woods?
He found an old coin there. It was very old.
Sam Taylor thinks the coin is important.
Thank you, Mrs. Baker. Your information is helpful.
Sam Taylor walks around the town. He sees the woods.
Willow Woods looks quiet, but it hides secrets.
The townspeople talk to Sam Taylor. They are afraid.
The woods are dangerous. Be careful, detective.
My friends saw lights in the woods at night.
Sam Taylor listens and writes in his book.
Thank you. I will be careful.
It is evening. Sam Taylor is in his room.
Tomorrow, I go into Willow Woods. I must find answers.
Sam Taylor looks at the map. He plans his journey.
I will find the truth about Willow Woods.
Sam Taylor is ready for the adventure. The night is quiet. The mystery waits in the woods. It's morning. Detective Taylor and Officer Reynolds walk into Willow Woods. The woods are quiet and mysterious. Birds are singing.
These woods are beautiful, but strange.
Yes, they are. Many stories about these woods.
They walk and look for clues. The sun is bright. Suddenly, they see Old Man Jenkins near a tree.
Hello. You are looking for the missing people?
Yes, we are. Do you know anything?
The woods have secrets. Old secrets.
Old Man Jenkins looks serious. He knows the woods.
What secrets, Mr. Jenkins? Ancient stories. People must respect the woods.
Sam Taylor listens. He thinks Old Man Jenkins knows more.
Thank you, Mr. Jenkins. We will be careful.
They walk deeper into the woods. It's quiet. They find an old cabin. It's abandoned and old.
Look at this cabin. It's old and broken.
Let's look inside. Maybe we find something.
Inside the cabin, there are strange symbols on the walls.
These symbols are unusual. What do they mean?
I don't know. They are mysterious.
They look around. The cabin is dark and dusty. Suddenly, Sam Taylor finds a hidden door in the floor.
Look, a hidden door. Let's open it.
Be careful, Detective Taylor.
They open the door. There is a dark passage.
This passage may lead to answers.
It's dark. We need lights.
They take out their flashlights. The light is weak. They go down the passage. It's cold and silent.
This passage is old. Where does it go?
I don't know. But we will find out.
They walk slowly. The passage is narrow. They see old things.
Look at these artifacts. They are very old.
Yes, they are. What are they for?
They find old documents. The papers are yellow.
These documents tell a story. A story of this town.
They read about a legend. A spirit protects the woods.
A protective spirit? Is that real?
Maybe. Legends often have some truth.
They learn the town forgot this ancient story.
The town must remember and respect the woods.
They walk back to the town. It's a sunny day. Detective Taylor talks to the townspeople. He is serious.
We must respect Willow Woods. It's important.
The people listen. They are curious and surprised.
Respect the woods? But how?
Remember the legend. Protect the woods.
The townspeople agree. They want to be safe. Days pass. The town changes. They care for the woods. One morning, something amazing happens.
Look. The missing people are back.
The town is happy. They thank Detective Taylor.
Thank you, Detective. You solved the mystery.
Remember, respect nature. It's important.
The people smile. They learned a valuable lesson. Detective Taylor leaves the town. He is happy. The mystery of Willow Woods is solved. Thank you for watching.